Ms. Sandy, are you ready to go on the record for Mr. Bennett's case?
Yes, I am. Hey,
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Reagan Evans is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating or drinking, no smoking, no talking, no laying down or lounging, no driving or riding in a motor vehicle. Please keep your devices on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a surface level so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Mr. Bennett, are you waiving your client's preference?
Nope, he's here.
I see him. Okay, Mr. Williams, can you unmute yourself and turn on your camera, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Sandy, are you ready to go on the record? This is People versus Marquise Williams. We're here for ticket number P10999018. Count 1, tinted windows, front driver, passenger windshield, more than 4 inches. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P1139686. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P825087. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P1142241. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P1222097. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Ticket number P1142233. Count 1, disregard signal red or amber. Count 2, no receipt or unsigned registration. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Ticket number 719714. Count 1, no operator's license. Count 2, no insurance. Good morning. Please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Samuel Bennett, appearing with and on behalf of Mr. Williams, who's appearing via Zoom. I'm appearing on all cases, Your Honor, and I would waive our in-person appearance. I have no objection to Zoom today. Mr. Williams.
Huh?
You state your name.
Oh, Marquise Williams.
You know what? We're obviously here on case, well, I'm assuming Mr. Bennett, for case ticket number U6479 or case U64379410. There is a bench warrant. Did you want to address that as well, Mr. Bennett?
Yes, Your Honor. Given that Mr. Williams is here, I'd ask that you set that bench warrant aside today.
Okay, so the court will set that bench warrant aside. How does your client wish to proceed?
Your Honor, there should be a plea form in the file indicating that Mr. Williams will plead guilty to 3 counts of improper plates that include every case you've mentioned today, and all the other counts besides the 3 improper plates will be dismissed.
I also see a failed to display.
On the plea form?
Yes.
Okay, that's okay. I'm sure he's okay with that.
All right.
So no problem.
Mr. Williams, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. All right, you've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Bennett today in private about your case and about your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, ma'am.
And you're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and knowing all of this, you still wish to continue with your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of October 25th, 2020 at approximately 4:27 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Joy Road and Hubble in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a Dodge, a 2020 Dodge vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you driving while your license was not valid or you had an improper license?
Yes, ma'am.
Also going to direct your attention to the date of November 25th, 2020 at approximately 8:02 p.m. Were you in the city, I'm sorry, the city of Detroit at or near the location of Joy Avenue and Steel Street?
Yes, ma'am.
And on that date and time, were you driving a 2020 Dodge vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you have any insurance at that time?
I don't think so.
So is your answer no?
Yeah, no, yeah.
Okay. Mr. Bennett, you satisfied with the factual basis?
Yes, I am, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, and are you stipulating to probable cause as to the remaining charges to be dismissed?
I am, Your Honor. Yes.
So the court will dismiss all the remaining charges, and I could go through all the tickets. But
Yeah, that might be the quickest way. I'm okay with that.
All right, and I believe it, and the court will amend the, I'm sorry, can you give me 2 seconds? Ah, this is improper. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, so you're right, Mr. Bennett. It is to improper plate.
Okay.
So the court will amend the charges that Mr. Williams made admissions to improper plate. We'll dismiss the remaining charges, and there will be a fine of.
Your Honor, may I address that? May I address the sentencing and fines just briefly? Sorry to interrupt. Mr. Williams is currently awaiting a sentence to an MDOC sentence that's going to start in June for a minimum of 19 months. So I'd ask if possible, you could consider reducing some of the fines. Mr. Faulkner, I think you're not on mute.
Thank you. I didn't have the co-host capability to put him on mute, but we're getting back to Mr. Faulkner. Thank you.
So Judge, I just ask if you could consider reducing them just a little bit to give him the chance to make sure they're taken care of before he goes away.
All right, so the court will do a $200 fine. And we'll waive and let's do the $200 fine on ticket number ending in 018. And then for ticket number ending in 686, that fine will be waived. Now.
Thank you very much.
When is Mr. Williams starting his MDOC sentence?
June 14th, Your Honor, is when he's getting sentenced. So just about a month and a half.
So he'll have to May 27th to make that payment of $200.
Okay, no problem. I'm sure he'll take care of that.
Okay, so yeah, May 27th rather, to make the payment. And was there anything further, Mr. Bennett?
Nope, nothing further. Thank you so much for your help.
Thank you. So this matter is concluded.
Okay, have a great day. Take care, Marquise. I'll talk to you soon.
You too.
You too.
Good luck to
Thank
you,
you.
Mr. Williams.
Thank you.
you
And
too.
take care, Judge Taylor, take care.
Judge Evans, can you make me co-host, please?
Oh, yes, I'm sorry. You know what? You said that, and I just ignored you.
Oh, that's okay.
I'm so sorry.
No problem.
Mr. Faulkner, are you ready on you spoken to everyone, or? Oh, okay. Got it.
I'm talking to one person and it's Wade, Chief Wade. That's the only offer I have.
Right, and then I just sent one over for Roberto Guayana. I'm gonna start stamping. Yeah. Did you get that one, Attorney Faulkner?
I just got the one for Wade so far.
Okay, I just sent that, Roberto over.
Okay.
And John's in the courtroom, so he's doing the other offer.
Good morning, Ms. Antoinette Watts. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, leave your phone off of mute for a moment. Can you hear me, Ms. Watts?
There was some issue, but I,
Your connection is poor. You're fading in and out. You're breaking up.
yeah, this device is having,
Maybe if you log off and log back on, it'll have a better connection. Sign back onto Zoom using audio. Can you hear me, Ms. Watts?
yes, much better.
Yeah, your connection is much better. Hold on one moment.
Thank God.
Okay, Ms. Watts, I have you signed in.
Okay, thank you.
I'm going to put you in what's called a breakout room. It's a place
Okay.
where you'll be on your screen by yourself until Mr. Faulkner, the attorney, comes in to talk to you about your case and about your rights. Now, you may
Okay.
be there for a long time because we have a lot of defendants and he's the only attorney to talk to everybody. But please be patient, okay? Don't sign off of Zoom. And once you're in the breakout room, please don't ask for help to ask whether we forgot about you or if you're in the right place, okay?
Right, no, okay,
Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Okay, when you receive the invitation, join and it'll take you there.
okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Did you want me to, did you want to see these before I do? Like, okay.
I'm trying to do these now because I'm gonna get stuck down the hall. They have like 25 people. Okay.
Good morning, John.
Hey, Miss Andy, how you doing today?
I'm doing well, thanks. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good, thank you.
Good.
Attorney Faulkner, I just sent over Barrett Williams. I sent over like 2 pages because he has his dismissal on the back.
Okay. I got 2 that are ready to go if anybody, whatever, Judge.
Mr. Faulkner, you ready on Wolf and
No, Your Honor, I'm ready on Roberto Wyanon and Keith Wade. Those are only 2 I have offers on so far.
okay. I will bring them.
Hello.
All right, Mr. Wade, just hold on one second. We're gonna call your case in one moment.
Okay.
Okay, is everyone ready on the record?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Sandy, thank you. Right. We're on the record. This is People versus Keith Wade on ticket number P1224574. Count 1, loud music from motor vehicle more than 10 feet away. Ticket number P1224564. Count 1, 21 to 25 miles per hour over posted speed. Count 2, very coarse without signal observation. Count 3 of insurance. Good morning, please take your name to the record.
Your Honor, Paul Faulkner, P22994, representing the defendant. Your name, sir? Can you unmute yourself, Mr. Wade?
You're muted. Unmute yourself. Look on the bottom. You're muted, sir. Look on the bottom left-hand corner to unmute yourself.
Oh, Keith Wade. My
Okay.
apologies.
Okay, that's okay, Mr. Wade. Your Honor, there's an offer my client would plead responsible to 45 and a 35, with the rest to be dismissed.
All right. Mr. Wade, can you raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you put your hand down? You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Faulkner today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty of your own free will.
Your
Yes,
Honor,
ma'am.
this is a responsible plea. I'm sorry to interrupt.
Okay. Thank you. You're pleading guilty because you're pleading responsible because you're actually responsible.
Responsible for the speeding. Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading responsible, you waive your right to trial?
Are you saying like I have to re-go to trial?
No. I'm that by making this plea, you are waiving your right to having a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so knowing that you're waiving your right to have a trial and that no one threatened you or forced you to make this plea, you wish to continue with your plea of responsibility.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm going to direct your attention to the date of July 14th, 2021 at approximately 12:57 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Connor and Nashville in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a 2019 Kia vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you going 21 to 25 miles per hour over the speed?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Faulkner, you're satisfied with the factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'm also satisfied with the factual basis. Will amend the charge to civil infraction to 40, going 45 in a 35 miles per hour zone. And looks like there's a fine for that one of 135.
Okay.
So you are going to have 14 days to pay that. So it needs to be paid by May 12th, 2022. If it's not paid, the fine is obviously going to go up and it'll go into default. Did you have any
Okay.
questions, Wade?
No, ma'am, I'm gonna pay it today.
Well, not today, because it needs to go into the system. So pay it tomorrow.
Okay, thank you.
Anything further?
Nothing
That'd be
further,
all.
Your Honor.
Okay, so this matter is concluded. Good luck to you, Mr. Wade.
Appreciate that.
One second, Mr. Buck.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I lost connection and lost my drawing room. Swyana.
Okay, your camera on, please.
Okay. Oh, I didn't know it was off.
Okay, and what is your name again? I'll have to rename.
Roberto Wyana.
We're ready on him. He's on it.
It doesn't matter. Small, whatever. Thank you. This is Mr. Roberto, how do you pronounce your last name? Is it Wyana? Wyana?
Yes, it's Wyana, Judge. He just went back into the breakout room.
Oh, I think we're ready for him. I'll bring him up.
Okay, I'll bring him back out. Sorry about that.
No, it's okay. Mr. Wyana?
Yes.
Okay, I appreciate you dressing up for court. I like the collared shirt.
Thank you.
Ms. Sandy, you ready to go on the record? This is People versus Roberto Wyana on ticket number P114641. Excuse me, let me do that again. P114641. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Good morning, please state your names for the record.
Paul
It's
Faulkner,
Roberto.
representing defendant. Your name, sir?
Roberto Wyana.
Okay, I'm
Your Honor,
sorry, I should be more specific. Mr. Faulkner, I'll say Mr. Faulkner from now on. You state your name first and then, so go ahead.
Okay. Your Honor, my client continues his plea of not guilty, waives his right to a jury trial and requests a bench trial date.
Oh, okay. All right, Mr. Wyana, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you or forced you or promised you anything of value to waive your right to having a jury trial?
No, Your Honor. Your Honor.
Okay, so The court is going to continue your not guilty plea. Your trial date is going to be August 22nd at 9 a.m.
What the bar?
Why so far?
Yeah,
Believe this court is already pretty booked up.
okay,
You're like not the only one asking for a trial date, so
okay. I got it, I got it.
it kind of is what it is, sir. So,
Yes.
August 22nd, it'll be here before you know it. 9 o'clock.
Okay, all right, thanks a lot.
Any other questions, anything further?
Nope, that's it, thank you.
Okay, you're all set, sir.
You too.
Right, for the one that made admission to 145 and 35, I just did the 10. So we was letting you know that he was responsible, you don't have to. Oh, I could have just stipulated the face of the ticket. Yeah, I forgot about that. So we never, that's why you saying he is responsible. That's right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket. I forgot about that. So you don't have to go at the attention. Right, yeah, I forgot. That's why you said that. I was like, okay. I know, you know, like, I tell her everywhere. Yeah, I forgot. Oh, yeah, you say whatever you did. Yeah, you did right. So you can do the paper, oh, no, I'll just do it. I forgot. I'll remember now, though. Yeah. Okay. No harm, no foul. Not like we had like 35,000 people that eat. Yeah. Okay. But no, that's how you remember by mistake. Absolutely. Absolutely. Mistake is wrong. It's wrong. It's not as wrong or anything like that. You just don't have to get it. Yeah. Okay. You got it. All kinds of stuff. The plan of the day for next month, I don't know how many thousands things I have to do. I see why, I can see how you can. Okay, I can see it now. Well, I look for certain things. Oh, okay. There you go. You may not be able to see the whole. You'll be able to see some. Oh, no. That's what I said. I started volunteering for her. So I said, let me talk to my question. My question was related. And I can volunteer all my time. And she's like, you all doing all this stuff every day. They not bad. Oh, they not bad at all. Oh, yeah. A lot of them are just really show artists for a couple of days. Charlotte, you love me. Yes, I do. Right. My girl be doing. I ain't even got to cry inside. Thursday, I don't keep my Thursday beautiful anyway. Maybe I'm on Thursday, maybe I could tell her I can do next Wednesday. Right. Oh, shoot. Okay. So, sorry, what do I do for bench or is there a stamp for a bench trial or? Yeah. It should be one for bench trial. It looks like a pre-trial. I put that this case is dismissed, and I'm like, I have one out in the drawer. Okay. You could. That is great. What I need to do. Oh, I didn't say that. I was only designed for 0. So. So, Mr. Faulkner, are you ready on something else?
I'm already on, Wolf. Frank Wolf.
Ms. Sandy, are you ready to go on the record for Wolf?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, I'll bring him out.
Okay.
This is ticket number U50777119. Count 1, narcotic and drug related violation. We're also here on ticket number 173189311. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Good morning.
Morning.
Morning, Your Honor.
I don't know if I say the name. This is People versus Frank Wolf. Good morning. Please state your name, starting with counsel.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Frank Richard Wolf.
Your Honor, there is an offer to dismiss the narcotics charge upon a guilty plea to the reduced charge of improper plates. My client accepts that offer.
Mr. Wolf, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir. Have you had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Faulkner today in private about your case and your right?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing all of this, you wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of November 19, 2017 in the area of was it 8 Mile?
It's 8 Mile at the Myers,
Thank
8
you.
Mile on Woodward.
Thank you. At the location of 1301 West 8 Mile in the city of Detroit. On that date and time, were you driving a 2003 Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
And were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
Are you satisfied with the factual basis, Mr. Faulkner?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and do you stipulate the probable cause as to the other charge, or I'm sorry, the other ticket to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So the court will accept the plea, will amend the charge to improper plate and,
Your Honor, may I address the court before the actual
Yes.
sentencing?
yes, sir.
My client is in drug rehab as we speak, spending 3 weeks there. He is no longer employable. He is on disability.
Well, there is still going to be a $200 fine that he needs to pay. When, Mr. Wolf, when will you be completing your program?
Saturday, I get released.
And what's the plan after that? Are you going to the kind of halfway house, or what are you doing
No.
after that?
I'm going back to my house in the city.
So how much time do you think you need to pay the $200?
Can I ask for 90 days?
Yes, you can. The court will give you 90 days to pay that. July 27th, 2022 will be the date that your fine is due, sir.
All right.
Or, Mr. Wolf, will you be open to doing community service instead in lieu of paying the fine?
Yeah, well, I could probably pay it, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. You prefer just paying the fine?
I didn't talk to my attorney about it, so I didn't know what that is, what I'd have to do, because I use a cane, so.
Okay. We'll just leave it with the fine, sir. So July 27th, 2022 will be the date that your fine is due.
All right.
Was there anything further on behalf of the party?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so you're all set, Mr. Wolf. Good luck to you, sir, and this matter is concluded.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You have discretion. You can waive the cost of fine totally if you want to, or I just need more time. Do I? No, I'm asking. I don't think so. Oh. I don't have anything written down. I feel like I volunteered to do something, but I don't have anything in my plan. And so if they call and say I'm supposed to do something, I understand. Okay. And this tomorrow, I do the street, and then Friday, there's home. Okay. And next week I have. And possibly every day. We got, I got a couple of days. Because I feel bad, because I'm taking like 2 weeks off. I'm taking like a week and a half off, so then, I feel like I can step in for a minute and help out. Right. I reached out to people who said they were taking days from me too, to make sure that they were really taking days for me. Right. Right. Cause I can't. I'm gonna take those days off too. Monday is May 2nd. Yes. You're already in May. Oh, God bless. Right. I think I'm gonna take. Yeah. Yeah, what is you look at it? I don't know. I think that Thursday, Friday, I don't think. Okay. So we need to do this. Okay. And that's it. I don't know what that. And I can deal with it or something. Okay. But that is a couple of extra days. Don't have to put them last year. Okay. But I know we have to close that. Oh, you know what? You might be. Because we had that Juneteenth off. That's what it is. It's Juneteenth. Yes, yes, that's what it is. So Juneteenth we have off. Yeah. And so then the next day, and the next day, I mean, that Thursday. Yeah. But. I love that day. I know. I love that day. Oh, that. No, Mary figured it out. And I said, that's it. I was trying to give you credit for stuff. I just trying to figure out why we got first. No, we couldn't figure it out. Oh, mine, my life. Mario one. Yep. Yeah, that's his son, okay. Yep. Yeah. They just been there very long.
Radio Barrett Williams.
1978 to 1995, that's a long time. All right. So this is his second marriage? It was like 10 years later, so long. Right, you're right. She lived on my friend Don. She did probably like every Thursday. Really? 7 years. Mr. Williams? Oh, he's okay. Give me 1 second. think, I think I have everything. Yeah. All right. Miss Sandy, are you ready to run the record? Oh, wait, did he lose Mr. Foster? He go back to school? He did. You're right.
Now, what we're gonna do is
You can have him go. Yeah. Mr. Faulkner, we'll go on the record of 1 second. I just have one question. All right. Yeah. Okay. Ms. Sandy, you ready to go on the record?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Williams, I just want to make sure I can hear you. Mr. Williams?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go on the record. This is People versus Barrett Williams on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just give me one moment. I'm gonna call the case, sir. On ticket number P111586, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number 1056217, count 1, expired plate. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P10710774, count 1, drive while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number 1062523, count 1, drive while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 1039648, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P1056232, count 1, driver's license expired. Count 2, drive while license suspended. Count 3, drove while unlicensed. Ticket number P10333310, count 1, drive while license suspended. Ticket number P1196131, count 1, registration and or plate violation, no plate. Count 2, defective windshield. Ticket number 290823, count 1, no operator license on person. Count 2, no insurance, never acquired. Ticket number P1196135, Count one, drive a registered or untitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P1109-351. Count one, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count two, drive a registered or entitled vehicle. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1107-989. Count one, fail to display valid operator license not on person. Count two, drive a registered or entitled vehicle. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Please state your name for the record, starting with counsel.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Barrett J. Williams.
Your Honor, it's, there is an offer, which I've gone over with my clients the best I can. There's a lot of cases here, 25 total. And he's pleading guilty to 3, 4, 5 matters and responsible in 1.
All right, so we'll deal with the responsible matter first. I believe that Mr. Faulkner, you stipulate, and that's just to count one.
Yes.
So you're willing to stipulate to the face of the ticket?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and then you'll stipulate to probable cause as to count 2 and 3 to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And, okay. And then as to the other ticket where he'll be making admission, Mr. Williams, can you raise your right hand?
Yes,
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
yes, I do, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, you've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Faulkner today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, I have, Your Honor.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you?
No, ma'am.
Just let me
No,
finish.
Your Honor.
Just let me finish, sir. Has anyone forced you, threatened you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you. So you're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
And knowing all of this, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so I'm going to direct your attention to the date of September 21st, 2020, at approximately 5:04 p.m. the area of 7 Mile Road and Van Dyke in the city of Detroit. On that date and time, were you driving a 2003 Mercury vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
And were you driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle?
Title vehicle.
Was it registered or was it untitled?
It was registered. Yes, Your Honor.
Well, then it sounds like you're not guilty. So
It was in my.
are you, I'm sorry?
No, ma'am, Your Honor.
No, ma'am, what? I'm asking if it was registered. You're saying it was.
Well, I think the car was in my name. Got it from my uncle, that deceased.
Well, you either know or you don't.
I didn't get a chance to register, Your Honor,
So
and I was driving.
So the vehicle was unregistered.
Yes, ma'am. No,
Okay.
ma'am. It wasn't registered.
Okay, and then, was there no insurance or did you have any insurance?
No insurance, Your Honor.
Okay, and then your license was not valid, or you had an
No,
improper
Your
license?
Honor. It wasn't, Your Honor.
Okay, and then I'm also gonna direct your attention to the date of January 15, 2020, at approximately 1:40 p.m. At or near the location of Irwin Avenue and Marion in the city of Detroit. On that date and time, were you driving a 2003 Mercury?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
No, I didn't, Your Honor.
Mr. Faulkner, you satisfied with factual basis?
Satisfied with all factual basis on all charges, Your Honor.
Okay, and then you'll stipulate to probable cause as to the remaining charges to be dismissed.
So stipulate, Your Honor. And Your Honor, my client is asking for a community service if available.
I just want to make sure you made admissions to everything. He did. I'm sorry, just give me 1 second. You know, I don't think I asked him about this. I am missing one. Okay, on the date of January 15, 2020, at around 1:40, was that vehicle also unregistered or untitled?
No, Your Honor.
What are you saying? No, it was not registered?
It wasn't registered, Your Honor.
Okay,
Satisfied, Your Honor.
thank you. So I think you got them all. All right, as to sentencing, Mr. Faulkner?
Your Honor, my client is requesting community service. He is not employed at this time.
Okay. I'm sorry, give me 1 second, Mr. Faulkner.
No problem, Your Honor. All right, so, Mr. Faulkner, your client will be sentenced to do 90 hours of community service. He will have 6 months to complete that, which will be October 27th, 2022, will be the review date for him to come back. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Williams, do you have a pen right now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a phone number to a lady named Miss Green. You need to call her to get your community service set up, okay?
Mhm.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
313-965,
Well, you said 213
sir,
96.
313,
Oh, you said 313. Okay.
Detroit. 313-965-8130.
Okay.
So you need to call, her name is Miss Green. You need to call Miss Green to get your community service set up.
Okay.
Did you write down the date, Mr. Williams?
Detroit, ain't it?
No, the date.
sir.
What date?
Your next court
What
date,
date?
sir. Your next court
I
date.
can't hear
is
you, Honor. You said my next court.
Go ahead.
I can't hardly hear you. Your Honor?
The next court date, sir. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
The next court date is July 27th. That's when you have to have the community service completed, and that's when you'll be coming back.
Okay, Your Honor.
I'm sorry. It's October 27th. October 27th. At 8:30. Did you hear
Okay.
what I said? Repeat it back to me.
Yes, Your Honor. I hear you. You said October the 27th, 8:30.
What date is that?
You said October the 27th.
What is October? What are you doing on that date?
I'm supposed to report my court date.
Okay. Just making sure you're listening. Okay. Anything further?
Nothing further.
Well,
Your Honor.
Well, Your Honor, I posted a bond, $800 bond. Would the bond go towards some tickets? Hello?
Be patient, Mr. Williams.
1 second. Okay, so Mr. Williams, you have the option of still doing the 90 days of community service, or I can apply your bond to 4 of the tickets, waive the cost on 2 of the tickets, you won't get any money back, and then you'll be done.
That's fine, Your Honor.
Okay. I said 2 things, but I'm assuming you meant that's fine with the second option of using your bond towards the fine for these tickets.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so we'll do that, and see, you're all set, you're done. And everything
Thank
is
you, Your
taken
Honor.
care of, so you're all set, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr. Crawford.
This matter is concluded.
You're welcome, sir.
May I have your phone number, sir?
Sure. 248-310-4058.
Thank you, sir. Give you a call later.
Okay.
Got a fan, Mr. Faulkner?
You never know, you might have a brother that's up for murder or something, and I get a big case out of it. Not that I want a big case right now.
can you let him know about what?
Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, Mr. Faulkner, I need you to go in and talk to Miss Weathington. We're in the process of trying to get her assigned counsel. Her matter is a discharge of firearm, and the offer was Home Juvenile Training Act. But we're trying to get her counsel assigned. Unfortunately, we don't have counsel here today. So you can ask her, if you want to talk to her about that offer, you can. But if not, tell her that we're gonna have to bring her back for another date. And I do apologize, and to kind of let her know we'll try and bring her back soon so we can figure it out.
Okay, and if she
Because this
wants an
was a
attorney,
quick
you assign one to her?
Yes, tell her I've already forwarded the information for her to receive an attorney. I just don't have someone assigned to her yet unless someone's
Okay.
contacted her. So I've
Okay.
already started the process. It's just I don't have anybody assigned just yet.
I understand. I'll go and talk to her right now.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
Then for Attorney Faulkner,
Yes,
for Isaac Warmack.
yes.
Okay, so count one was paid, so that's closed. And count two, the state is willing to amend to fail to display.
Okay. Okay,
That way, if you can handle it, you can handle everything. That way you get through it. Listen, right. So that way you get through it. You can do this, like, now, it's the matter of you doing it like that. Like, oh, this ain't right. But if you can sit, this is real, okay? Come here, fine. And then you get it like this. Hurry up and get it from. Yes. And you be like this. They got put in the house. You don't find out, you gotta have other people in here and go. Different source every week.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
And I figure out how you want to, Right. I know, Marlena, I ain't gonna be here. Sorry.
The last one. Yeah, and then Miss Meredith saying nothing, she can't be the file.
Because that's what she does. It be like
Yeah,
that.
right.
I did say you might want to.
You said that on the first one, yeah, you ain't saying no more.
I snuck in the second
She
one.
just did like this. Then she just looked like
Yeah,
this.
I snuck in the second one.
I thought you were
Because I
gonna
said
be
you had the first like a three. So just a
Okay, so this one, you had it. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I think I put it. Why can't I get the hang of it? Right there. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'll be like my dad, you know, when I'm off.
You don't. Right. Mr. Foster, you ready on something or?
I am, yeah, I can wait and go to another,
Okay.
I'm ready on that Weatherington. She wants another date.
Go into the other room, Mr. Faulkner, and then come back. We can do Ms. Weddington after that.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Let's give her 2 weeks from now, that May, that week of the May 9th, whatever day on that. I don't know, because I gave it 7 days and that was enough time. Got another day that is. Wednesday. We already, yeah, you tell me that. You've already submitted the paperwork. We're just waiting for something to reach out.
Oh, okay. Anything else to do there, Robert? Okay. All right. Oh, that's right. Nice. I know, and of course, it's always like when you get big groups, then like everyone's talking to like, like one person's asking like a question, the defendant's like trying to answer. Like, the defendants all start having a conversation.
I didn't like the bottom. Oh my gosh. Okay, stop. I keep putting same wrong stamp. I keep writing it out and just saying wrong stamp. Oh my goodness. You can write it in if you want. No. Okay.
Got one more to talk to.
Okay.
We haven't talked together, have we, Ms. Watts, this morning? You're on mute.
Hello? Yes, no.
Yeah, I went to the breakout room
I think I'm off now.
to talk to you, and you were gone.
Yeah,
So I need to go back.
my device.
Okay, can we go to a breakout room,
had
Sandy?
died. Yes. Hello?
Yeah, just be patient.
Ms. Watts, I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 3.
I think I'm ready on everybody.
I'll, close out the breakout room. Coming back for Weddington. Right here.
Thank you. This is my bribe, so if you want to bribe me, this is what it is.
Is, yes. Oh, you talking about? No, I mean, it's your, right, it's your. Is, Ms. Wellington present?
She didn't come out.
I did, I think we lost her, I don't think she was here. So we'll just have to wait, I guess we'll wait for Ms. Wellington to log back on.
I hope she didn't misunderstanding. I didn't tell her to leave. Just said we're gonna get her a new date.
No, here she is.
Okay.
Okay. All right, we're gonna start with, we're gonna do Ms. Wellington's case. Mr. Warmack, can you mute yourself, sir?
Yes.
Thank you. Ms. Sandy, you ready to go on the record? All right, this is People versus Arnisha Wellington. Ticket number P1220522, count 1, discharge firearm. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with counsel.
Paul Faulkner, represent the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Hi, my name is Arnisha Wellington.
Wellington, turn your video on, please.
Your Honor, I believe this is a pretrial. The court has appointed, I believe, another attorney to represent her. That attorney has not contacted her as of yet. She does want to speak to the attorney, so we're going to need an adjourned date. She wants to know, go ahead, Your Honor.
No, I'm sorry, you finish, please.
No, she just wants to know certain aspects that I'm unable to answer at this time. So she wants to be able to talk to the attorney.
All right, so the next date is going to be May 11th at 8:30. Council has been appointed. We're just waiting to hear for someone to reach out, I believe, to Ms. Wellington. So council, the request has been submitted. Someone should be reaching out to you, Ms. Wellington. And your next court date is May 11th at 8:30.
Okay.
Okay, any questions?
I don't know his name, but can you say the name of that
The attorney?
Can I know the name of the attorney? And I wanted to know the name of the not guilty or the guilty plea that he was saying that I would be able to take, but I didn't
Okay, I don't know the name of your attorney at this time. It's just that a request has been made for counsel. So once someone reaches out to you indicating that you're a lawyer for this case, then you can talk to them more about the offer. I think you were.
I just wanted to know what was it called again, because
it's called HYTA, HYTA, HYTA. It's an acronym. But
and what was the
Home's Useful Training Act.
Home Useful Training Act. Yeah, that's what he kept saying.
Right. It's also known as HYTA. But if you can just kind of remember that when you speak to the attorney, they'll be familiar with it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right. So you're all set. This matter is concluded. All right, Mr. Warmack, can you unmute yourself? Are you ready, Ms. Sandy?
Yes.
This is People versus Isaac Warmack on ticket number X3763235. Count 1, speed freeway 16 to 20 over. Count 2, no operator's license / multiple ops, no ops. Good morning, please state your name for the record, starting with counsel.
Paul Faulkner, represent the defendant. Your name, sir?
Isaac Wormack.
Yeah, there's an offer. First place, I think the count 1, the civil infraction has been paid. And he would plead guilty to failure to display an operator's license, reduced from no operator's license.
So pleading to count two failure to display, is that what you said?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Warmack, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth? I
Swear.
can't hear you, sir.
Yes. Yes.
It's just a little delayed. Got it. Put your hand, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Faulkner today in private about your case and your right.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Yes.
and you're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by making this plea, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
All right. Knowing all of this, you still wish to continue with your plea of guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of July 26, 2020 at approximately 9:33 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of West 96 local and Schoolcraft?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you driving a 2017 Buick?
Yes.
All right, did you not have an operator's license?
No, I did not.
You're satisfied with the factual basis, Mr. Faulkner?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, do you stipulate the probable cause to count one that will be dismissed without prejudice?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so the court will amend the count two charge to failure to display. As the sentencing, Mr. Faulkner?
That's the stat. Well, normally when he pays a civil infraction, they dismiss this, but they didn't this time. I asked the court to take into consideration he has paid it.
So, okay, so what the court will do is there will be no fine since he's already paid for count one and it's being dismissed. So, oh, it's not dismissed because he's already paid it. So there'll be no fine, no additional fine,
Thank you, Your Honor.
and he's all set. So good luck to you, Mr. Warmack.
Thank you very much.
Keep going now.
Let's see. We'll do Ms. Yeager.
Hello.
This is the people versus Taylor Yeager on ticket number P1226072. Count one, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Please state your name for the record, starting with counsel.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Taylor Yeager.
Your Honor, Ms. Yeager has produced two documents that I've seen this morning. One was for registration, showing that it was valid at that time, and also she had insurance at that time for the vehicle. It was valid at that time.
All right, well, there is an offer of pleading guilty to count one. Did your client wish to avail herself to that offer?
No, Your Honor, I'd move to dismiss both matters.
Because she's still proof, okay.
Yes, she has proper documentation.
Okay, and as an officer of the court, Mr. Faulkner, you're indicating that she did in fact show you that her vehicle is registered and that she does have insurance.
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, so the court will dismiss both counts without prejudice. Good luck to you, Ms. Yeager.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Not getting any smiles out of those dismissals this morning. I don't know.
Okay, they're smiling on the inside. All right, Ms. Watt, you can unmute yourself. This is the people
Yes.
versus, I'm sorry. One. This is the people versus Antoinette Watt on ticket number 519245. Count one, no operators. No license, operator's license. Count two, drive unregistered motor vehicle, and count three, no insurance. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with counsel.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. And your name, ma'am?
Antoinette Watts.
Your Honor, is offered my client would plead guilty to count two, unregistered motor vehicle, with counts 1 and 3 to be dismissed. My client accepts that.
Ms. Watts, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to talk to speak with Mr. Faulkner today in private about your case and your right.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by making this plea of guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and knowing all of this, you still wish to continue with your plea of guilty?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date and time of June 27, 2021, at approximately 5:15 p.m. at or near the location of Van Dyke East and East McNichol. Were you driving a 2008 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
All right, and was your vehicle unregistered?
Yes.
You're satisfied with factual basis, Mr. Faulkner?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, and do you stipulate to probable cause as to count 1 and 3, which are to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm also satisfied with the factual basis, and we'll proceed to sentencing. There will be a charge of $200, a fine of $200. Do you need 30 or 60 days to pay that, Ms. Watts?
60 days will be great.
Okay, are you working?
No, not currently.
Do you get any kind of disability or any unemployment or anything?
Yeah, I get survivor benefits for my daughter, so I'll be able to pay it. But like I said, 60 days would be great.
Okay. So the fine will be due on June 27th, or you can do community service.
Oh, no, I'll pay the $200, baby.
Okay, so June 27th, 2022 will be the date that your fine is due, okay?
Okay, can I pay it before then? I'm sorry.
You can pay, absolutely. You can pay it before then, don't pay it today, but, because it's not in the system. But after today, you can pay it tomorrow or any time in between that.
Okay. Thank you. And I am smiling.
Okay.
For my dismissals.
Okay. Okay.
For real. Thank you.
You're all set, Ms. Watts. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
And this concludes this matter. We don't have to Ron Lee. He's not in the room. He's them.
Find out, order,